In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of Copilot in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking for a way to declutter your desktop or simply want to remove the Copilot feature from your taskbar, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this quick and straightforward process. First, what you'll want to do is open up your settings. Now, depending on your system, you might find your settings icon either pinned to the taskbar or available in your start menu. Once you've located it, click on it to open the settings window. With the settings window open, your next step is to navigate to the personalization section. You can usually find personalization on the left-hand side panel. Clicking on personalization will bring up a new set of options specifically focused on how things look and feel on your desktop, helping you customize it according to your preferences. Now, within personalization, you're going to want to look for the taskbar section. This might also be prominently displayed or require a quick scroll through the available options. Clicking on taskbar will allow you to access all the settings related to taskbar customization. With the taskbar settings open, scroll down until you reach the section labeled taskbar items. This part of the settings menu is where you'll find various built-in features and shortcuts that can be toggled on or off according to your wishes. Here comes the crucial part. Look for the Copilot option. You'll find it among other features within this part of the settings. Once you've located it, you'll see a toggle switch right next to it. Simply toggle this switch to the off position. It's as easy as that. This action effectively removes the Copilot button from your taskbar, reducing unnecessary clutter and making your workspace cleaner. Additionally, this change will also disable the Alt+ space shortcut that's associated with Copilot. So not only does it remove the visible icon, but it also ensures that it doesn't activate through keyboard shortcuts, giving you complete control over your desktop environment. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to get rid of Copilot from your taskbar in just a few minutes. This simple adjustment helps you declutter and personalize your workspace just the way you like it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated with more handy tech tips and tricks. Have a great day.